What's up, YouTube? Murphy Firearms Training here. Unboxing video. Have a box here. And have a new toy. Gonna open it up. Here it is. It is the VRF-14. This is a pistol grip firearm from Island Arms, RIA USA. It is a 14-inch barrel, 12 gauge. It's like the Shockwave, only it doesn't have the Shockwave grip. It has a more traditional like AR-15 style grip, AR-15 style controls, and it is mag-fed semi-auto. So what I want to do is walk you through what comes in the box and all of that good jazz. Now, I did go ahead and open this up and add this handle here. I'm going to take it out. It does take a little tinkering. You can work the bolts. Sometimes it'll come loose. There it goes. Okay, so this actually comes, let me show you what it comes in. So you get this black bag, and it comes with three things. This would come in this bag. I went ahead and took it out, put it on the gun to play with the gun. Okay, that's your charging handle. Comes with folding sights, front and rear folding sights that go on the top Picatinny rail here. So it's got a top Picatinny rail. This is, if you look at it, okay, so I'll give you a close look at this. It is identical top and bottom, so it's not directional. It's multi-directional, so that means you can put it in either way and it'll go. And just to show you how this goes, I'm going to get a close-up here. Hopefully this will work. You've got this little slot here, and if you look down in there, you might see the detent. There's a detent that catches this hole here, and you just put that in, and it'll click in place just like that. Clicks into place. It sticks out pretty far. I mean, I played with it for a minute before I started filming to make sure that's all the way in, but that is, in fact, all the way in, and you use that to run your bolt. Okay, so let's go through the controls and all of that real quick, the features. So first of all, full-length top rail. Full-length top rail. Comes with the fold-up sights. You can put a red dot. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to go with the factory fold-up sights. Not going to do anything there. Comes with these two partial side rails, both sides, and a full bottom rail. So, also has front sling swivel here. Okay, right here where you loosen for your mag, sorry, not your mag tube, your gas tube there. And then back here at the back is the rear. So you could actually put a 2-point sling on this. And it does have to stick out this far in the back. It's got this long stick out in the back, and I haven't taken it apart. I don't know what's back here. I assume this is just empty space pretty much, or a spot for like a plastic buffer or whatever. But this has to be here to meet the minimum overall length, that 26 inches by the ATF. But anyway, so here it is. It is a cylinder bore choke. It is not interchangeable choke. So cylinder bore choke, fixed choke. Just a range toy, I think. But anyway, it is AR-15 style controls. Let me flip the gun over here so I can hold it, more traditional right-handed grip. So it is that AR-15 style safety, AR-15 style bolt catch. So if you pull the bolt back, you can lock it open like that. And then if you give that a hit, it's going to snap forward. So let's take a look. Ooh, that's tough. Okay, that's really tough. It does say 12 gauge 3-inch chamber, proof tested. There it is. The other thing it comes with in the bag, let me show you the other thing. So besides the sights, it comes with this here, okay? And this says on it in very, very small print, heavy loads. So I assume there is a light load piston in here, and then the heavy load piston is here. So this is set up currently for birdshot, and then of course, this would be for like buckshot and slugs. Like I said, cylinder bore, and it comes with one 5-round magazine. So one 5-round magazine. Go ahead and put that in, okay? So ta-da, snap that in. Pull the charging handle back. It does lock open. Mag release is, again, traditional AR-15 style. The mag does not fall free. You have to strip it from the gun, and then again, press the bolt release. Voila. Okay, so that's kind of our unboxing. Now, I'm going to go get something real quick and show it to you with this, and that'll be my unboxing video. All right, so many of you know I already have a 1919 style shotgun, a bullpup, and I've got these magazines here. They are from Pro Mag, and I keep thinking they're 9-rounders, but I'm pretty sure these are 10-rounders. But anyway, they're larger than the standard capacity. They snap right in, so not too awkward looking on this gun. Not too bad, not too bulky. So anyway, ta-da! So that does work. So that's the Pro Mag, I think 10-rounder. I also have the Pro Mag 20-round drum. Gonna make sure that that fits. Doesn't seem to want to go. There it goes. Doesn't want to go past the mag release there for some reason. So that's fun. That doesn't want to go. I'm going to lock the bolt back because I have seen that some guns don't like to load on a closed bolt. So let's try this. Let's try this. So I can get a good angle for the camera. That is not wanting to go past the mag catch. Ooh, but it does load. So doesn't want to snap in. I had to press the magazine release in to get it past the mag catch. But the Pro Mag 20-round drum does fit the VRF-14. And then Palmetto State Armory had a sale on these. I don't know if that all fits in the frame. This is a 19-round stick mag. And I actually do have it loaded with buckshot, some Fiocchi buckshot. And I've got it loaded because I've seen that these shotgun mags like to break in a little bit. It's good to load them and let them kind of decompress. So this is a 19-round stick mag. And when I do a range video with the VRF-14, the 19-round stick mag will go with me. So I want to make sure the 19-round stick mag fits in the VRF-14. So here's the VRF-14. Here's the 19-round stick mag like a glove. And this is so ridiculous. Like, I can't zoom out enough for you to see this, but look at this giant 19-round stick mag. And boy, oh boy, is that heavy with that 19-round stick mag loaded. So anyway, comes right out. So the stick mags snap right in almost like a pistol magazine. The drum mag doesn't really like to go into this gun. But that is our unboxing video. So like I said, go ahead and close that up. That's what comes with it. All the extra magazines are mine that are part of another gun that I own already. I did buy the 19-round stick mag just for this gun, and my plan for this gun, being a cylinder bore and a 14-inch barrel, is I am going to put a pistol grip on the front here so that you can two-hand it, you know, like this, and basically just use it to shoot stuff at the range. It's going to be and I may actually put a laser on one of these side rails to kind of give you a way to aim it without looking down the sights. Haven't decided that yet. I do have a laser laying around that I don't have on anything, so probably will put it on here just for that. You know, and it's going to be a toy just for blasting at the range. But that is the VRF-14. That's what comes in the package. And I'm actually going to tear this thing apart and play with how it goes together, how it comes back apart. Go inside, see what the other piston looks like, and get it set up for a range video once it warms up outside. But I wanted to show you guys that is the VRF-14, and you will have a takedown video, and you will have a range video eventually. And I appreciate your support, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope we get to blow some stuff up with it. Thanks.